delaying. And
well, I don't.
We blame NUIG for being delayed.
I do not know the details. I just know universities sometimes take a long time to reply. So it's possible what happened is he now heard from Galway, he made an application from Limerick, and I wouldn't worry about WIT because I've never heard of a situation where a student was like, oh man, I couldn't go to WIT because my application was late. Like, I mean, the WIT, they're not unreasonable. Like, if an application, I mean, sometimes even students put in their applications to WIT after they get their grades, and their grades, you know, aren't good enough for Galway or whatever, and they said, oh well, what do I do now? I have no choices. But you know,
don't worry.
Obviously Porrick doesn't want people doing that because it's too much stress to try and put an application in after your grades come out, because you have a very small window of when do you get the grades, like August, and college starts in September. It's not the way to be doing things, you know. So I wouldn't worry about it. But I think if you want to meet with them,
the thing is, like, right now, like, everyone at least has a reply or something. So, like, I'm not saying I'm demotivated or anything, but it would be nice to have an offer so that I can be motivated to work towards the goal.
Absolutely. It's good to know what grades they expect of you, right? Yeah. So,
like, that's not, like, I don't even want to, like, I can't explain it.
Just follow it up with him. He said no to a meeting.
Sorry?
He said definitely no to a meeting. He said no way, impossible, don't even think about a meeting.
Go up to his face.
He wants me to email it to him. He doesn't want me to come to him.
Email what?
Whatever, like, my concern is.
Fine, do that. Well, you made it.
What the hell is Ivan's weather doing?
Did you get wet outside?
Was a bit moist.
Oh, it's raining? I didn't notice. I'm sorry, it's not typical end of June weather back in July? You don't have midsummer rain days? No? Interesting.
Don't even have winter rain.
Barely have rain days. Alright, we're going. Huh?
What is rain?
It is rain, yeah, exactly.
What is rain?
What
is this that you speak of?
They literally pray so that it's rain. Seriously.
Tell them to go to Ireland.
Yeah.
Abundance of prayers will be answered if rain is all you want. You took a taxi and got this wet? That's desperate. Where did you take the taxi from? Your home? To the college?
Like 15 minutes away walking.
And you got this wet from walking? That's funny. Okay, so Yusuf, what we've established is everybody was doing their coursework last night. So we're going to do these tutorial questions together now. Do you want to take turns or do all four? I do all four. What way do you want to do it?
We'll do all four and then we'll ask you to do the ones that you couldn't get.
Which could be all four, or maybe none of them. But I think we know which one that's going to be.
Probably the second one. It's just one formula and like.
No, it's like two.
Whoa.
No. This should only take you 10 minutes at most to do. By the way, I should say, these are excellent questions in the exam. They're straightforward, they're quick, and you get more marks than I think you deserve for the question. For example, these 4 questions will be like Section A questions, and they would be like 3 or 4 marks, although they might only take you 1 or 2 minutes to do. So they're good mark boosting questions. So make sure you get full marks on them. Lee, can you do these now? You can still eat your Pringles, but I would like you working as well. Are you up here? Can you write it down too? Oh, good. Question? Did you do these already? You did them last night? Good.
Last night.
And did you finish your coursework?
Okay.
So do you want me to check it while they're working on it?
I only have to work.
That's fine, I have 2 computers. Why does it say BCD here?
Part B, C, and D. That was part A, introduction, and then part B, C, D.
Oh. Okay.
Like, will I lose marks for this?
Steven.
No. Thank you.
Will I get more marks if I
I've
change it?
Possibly. I just
Okay,
never
I'll change
seen.
it
I
then.
just never seen a student do it that way before. But I suppose you are special. No, I like tables. Put tables around.
It was a table, I don't know in front of, but okay, I'll fix it.
Come up, Fuan. We'll look at it together. What the heck is this? What's I dash, I double dash?
I1, I2, I3.
Well then write I1, I2, I3, not I dash, I double dash. Because you know what dash means, don't you?
Yes.
What does it mean?
Differentiation.
So did you differentiate the integration 5 times?
Oh,
No!
Okay.
Come on!
Okay, okay.
Here, Fuan, can you put this into the computer and we'll look at it? I do not know where it goes.
Yeah, that's right.
Ah, it's okay, Faisal. But come on, impress me.
Yeah, I'll change those things. Then I'll get an A.
13?
I don't know. You need to, you're not impressing me. Impress me.
No, I said 13.
Okay, let's have a look, Fuan. Right.
What? Do you want
I'm
for
looking
me
at
to get
Fuan
an A?
now. I'm looking at Fuan.
Peter.
Could you try and put the, and the same for you, Faisal, try not to write the word sigma. Try to use the symbol.
Yeah, I did.
Do you know what the symbol for? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, but it will have to change now.
Is it? Are you sure? Like for example, if I type in sigma.
No, I mean I don't have laptop.
Oh, yeah, okay. That will.
You can work on any of the computers in the...
You could like copy image. Do you know? What is this? Oh, it's PDF. I can't change it. Can I? No, I can't. Alright, good. Mm-hmm. 4 rules. What's these 4 rules?
You can see.
I can see?
Oh,
Alright.
no. I'm not with the reference anymore.
Okay. Nice. But what you're missing here is the sigma for sum. Do you know? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
To add them, yeah. First, last, twice, evens, 4 odds. Good.
Oh,
What?
I misread the email.
And you reply to it?
Huh?
And you reply
No,
to
no, I
it?
haven't replied.
Yeah, he doesn't like you anymore now. Right. Okay, good.
Huh.
Maybe some more?
No, I don't know how to make more files.
Oh, it's fine. Okay. 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 How'd you get these numbers?
From the table I
Yeah, so say that. Use English.
put this calculate.
Yeah, but use a little English, you know. Don't just write the formula. Say, by using Simpson's rule and the table. No? Who looks like a nerd? Juan does. That's because he is a nerd. Right. Okay. Huh? But you need to put the names here, like which one, which is Simpsons, which is Trapezoid. Yeah. And these tables look strange. They're so big. Where'd you get this table? You take this from Excel?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, these are the, yeah, but the table, okay. Brackets,
Steven.
but okay, yeah.
Can I go get coffee?
How many questions did you do? Strike a deal with you. Do one of the questions, then you can. If you get it right, you can get the coffee. If you get it wrong, you can get a coffee, but you have to buy me a coffee too.
Fair. Let's do this.
And Fuang already did it.
Which
so
is the hardest one?
the hardest one?
Yes.
Fuang, the last one.
Where's also?
But it's the hardest, but it's not hard.
Maybe
Yeah.
a decimal type of thing.
Or maybe I'm wrong.
No, you're never wrong.
Nice question.
Is it?
We just added
Still not.
efficiency to it.
I want a coffee, be quiet.
Tip, 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 tone in my Jordan Equation.
Okay, good. Some small things, like for example, this table looks so strange. It's so big.
Which big?
Big, look how big this table is. It's huge.
Oh, it's more accurate.
But it's not like this number one is more accurate if it's a bigger number one. It's still number one.
Yeah, but you can see more.
You must think I'm blind or something.
No, but like if you see
Old man Stephen, I can't see your report. That graph is fine.
But when you put in, I mean, when you
Yes.
print it,
Yeah.
it will be normal, I think.
Be like this.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, so this is good. You need a little more English, like explain where these numbers came from. You said they came from the table, right? But you need to say that. And this is good. But again, you need titles. And here, this needs a title. There's no titles. Titles.
Title?
Title, yeah. Like, what is this table? Is this like lunchtime menu at the Vietnamese restaurant? Like, you need a title. You know, dish number 2.7, price 0.001 euros. You know, you need a you need a title. Title.
Literally.
What?
It can fit. You can see in PDF.
And you can't fix it today?
Yeah, I'm not doing that so.
Oh yeah. Where's the Word document?
The what?
The Word document.
It's in my laptop.
Fine, it'll have to do. It's a good job, Fuang.
Give me a what?
What you predict for this?
I don't know, I have to mark it.
Yeah, predict.
Predict?
Yeah.
What you get in your last coursework?
Yeah,
Might be less. I don't know. It's hard to know. I mean, you did everything right. It's just, I like more English.
So if I put more in, I guess I could add.
Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. But you can't anyways, because it's at home. And you're not going to go home. That's crazy.
Maybe I will.
No, don't. Not today. No. This is good.
There are so
Well,
many computers in the
yeah.
study room and library. She can fix it there.
Word document is at home. She only has the PDF.
Or she can convert it.
Oh, those programs never work, especially when there's maths in it. No, this is fine.
Why did you save it as a PDF?
Because I only need to print.
Why don't you have both?
Yeah, look.
At first I think it also
Did
did
you
that
not
and I
email it?
forgot.
Look, if you put both on the USB key, the USB key will be heavier. And she has to carry it to school.
Okay.
Come on, think.
Yeah.
They
It's
don't
order
think.
is a kilogram.
Yeah, exactly. They don't think. This is good. Look, to be honest, it's better than his one. So, that's good.
This will be less than I.
Well, no, could be A. I don't know for one, because I have to mark it.
But I
Oh, no. I can tell you it's not A star. I'm sorry. It could be A or B.
If I fix it as possible, more than the iron.
Are you going to really go home to fix it? Do you really want an A? You really want an A? Then if you really want an A, then yes, you need to fix it. I'm sorry.
Is that okay if I be in here a little late?
Yes, that's okay.
Like 15 minutes.
If you're late, you can email it to me. I'll print it for you.
Really?
Yeah.
But this is the library office, so
Well, just put out the PDF again and send it to him. Okay, good. We have a plan. Did you answer question 4?
Yes, 9 amps.
Right. 4, can you check your answer from last night for number 4?
9 now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it? Is it?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Are you faking?
No,
Yeah, 9 amps.
Because I got that.
9 amps.
Because I got that. I forgot to.
Huh?
Go.
Go get your coffee.
I can't believe I actually got it. I don't even understand it.
You just required suitable motivation. Did you do all 4 of them yet? All 4? You're finished. Super. Wait, what am I looking at? What changes did you make?
The tables.
That makes me happy.
I'll print it in colors also.
Yeah, now we're talking.
You want like the empty space?
No, I'm just doing.
So, why don't you try converting it?
I don't think it'll work because there's too much maths in it.
Yeah, at least let her try it. Maybe it works.
You're too optimistic, Yusuf.
Just try it. You won't lose anything.
no, it's
Try.
Yeah, be more like me. Be less optimistic.
No, let her try. Give me your USB.
Although I don't know if theoretical is the right word here, because that's what you would use in a lab.
Yes.
Yeah. So what should I change it to?
It's a given value. Like I gave it to you,
Yeah.
and I'm telling you it's true, although it's not exactly true because this is decimal that is infinitely recurring. So I'd maybe given value might be more appropriate. Area using trapezoid, Simpsons average. What the heck? Whoa.
Sure.
And this is the random one, isn't it?
Give me a sec. Open it.
Now the conclusion.
Wait. Okay.
Yeah, conclusion I don't like. Take it away from me. The conclusion is not insightful. It's just stating obvious facts from the coursework. Why is the trapezoid more accurate? Or why is the Simpsons rule more accurate? Or why are geometric shapes bad? Or good? How could they be improved? What have you learned? Anything surprise you? Any other techniques you can maybe imagine testing out? Did you learn about any other techniques? Is there something after Simpson's rule? If trapezoid is linear and Simpson is quadratic, is there an integration technique that approximates as a cubic? So many things.
I mean, you can change, yeah, but I mean, if it's
So the conclusion can change this from an A to an A star?
The conclusion would make a difference between grade bands.
A to an A star?
Possibly. It is good, but the English.
Can you?
What's wrong with the English? Other than the conclusion.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Well, the conclusion is an important part of the mark.
Yeah,
Yeah, so sit down.
Why?
Okay, come on up.
Close, don't say.
Wait, just before,
I
guys, do you need me to do these questions, or you can get them right? You know what? Hang on, before I check that, just sit down. Did you finish all four?
Yeah.
Fong. Can you give me the four answers, and then this way the class can check if they got it right or wrong?
Maybe she's
No, I trust Fuan. You can trust Fuan. What's question one's answer?
and one is
Yeah.
Four. Yusuf, you agree? Okay. Two.
question two, I two is 2.6
Yusuf?
I know this is wrong. Yeah.
I know the first one is right.
I know.
Is it right? We can trust Fuan?
Yeah.
Okay.
I1 is 0.26
Yeah.
Okay.
and question four,
No.
yeah.
Yeah.
I2 is 9
Easy?
Yeah.
Easy? Okay. Yesli, you want me to check? Okay, this is turning into another tutorial. Put it in.
How surprisingly.
Yeah. Imagine having submission in like 3 hours and this turning into a tutorial. What one am I opening? This one? Why aren't these dots connected? Be better marks for you if they are.
Well, I need to have
That's money.
I need to.
Sorry, I could feel in your face that me and the one that goes, okay.
Yeah.
That's what you want. Right.
I think I put the word one, the normal one, and then I forgot.
Good. Right.
Steven, can I come back home now?
Can you go back home now?
Because we finished the physics. Yeah.
Wait. Oh yeah, this is
One hour.
physics/maths right now. You're going back home to get an A.
It better be worth an A.
You better be, yeah, it better be.
Because if
Yeah.
it's not, then I'll cry all night and feel bad about myself.
Okay, Fuang, go ahead.
Run.
Run.
No.
Yeah, if you really want the A, take a taxi. Let's see how badly you want it.
It's paid for my taxi too.
Right, yeah, put the curve here. Okay. Case. Alright, cool. Yep.
Steven.
Yes, I heard you the first time. What?
If I fix it in my house, can I give it to you so you can take it?
I'll try.
Only second to go in the rain.
I know life is difficult. Life is
Leave your bag. Good for? Okay.
Oh, no.
Leave your bag so that you can
Leave
move
it to
freely.
someone. Leave it with us.
No, I will go it also.
You will go eat also?
You bring me.
I will bring.
You're making life harder.
That's how she likes it. That's what she wants.
You have an umbrella and you're complaining about the rain? Look how big it is.
Still wet.
That umbrella is the... Open that umbrella. It's the same length as you, is it?
But the wind.
That could hold like you and the other Vietnamese students. It's a huge umbrella.
But I still wet.
Can be a tent.
Oh, dude, you got it right. You didn't have to do that. But awesomes. I don't have any money, so.
I see.
See ya. Cool. It didn't melt in the rain on the way here. What took you so long? That was actually a long
Did you write your phone number on the
toilet.
error thingy?
There's two women talking about some art.
Oh.
I'd like
not
this
to talk
box.
about me in public.
Huh?
Told them not to
Classy.
talk about me in public.
It's good. The only thing that's missing is a little bit of English. Like, I mean, it's a bit to the reader just going block. Here's a formula and numbers. I know maths people like us, we're okay with that. But you're also learning in this how to make a report for more than just a maths audience. So you know, like here for example, you should say, you know, by using Simpson's rule as given below, and by taking the values of x and y from the table, we can arrive at this.
They're right. I shouldn't be
Which
thinking like that.
simplifies to this. You know what I mean? Just, you know, give it more of a flow. Yeah, the beat should start on the next page. Yeah. Again, like you see, there's no lead in here. Like, what is the person looking at here? You know, you could say, by using Excel, random values of x between A and B were calculated and their corresponding y values were calculated, and you know, give the title of the table. Like, everything here is done right, but it just, the only thing you're missing here is lead-ins, you know. Everything looks good, everything is clean and well presented, the numbers look good. So let's do a summary. Yeah. Again, it's good, but just like with Faisal, you know, like, why? Like, you don't have to give me the right answer, but why do you think it was the most accurate? You know, anybody who reads this can see that Simpsons is the most accurate. You're not giving the person anything extra by seeing that again in the conclusion.
That I don't want to repeat myself, because if you go back,
Oh, you put that in there.
Yeah, I think while explaining,
Yeah.
I wrote something about Simpsons Road. Here, this, I wrote why.
Okay, well then maybe this would be.
This was expected since. Is that not enough?
Yeah, that might be better in the conclusion.
In
Because.
the conclusion. Like, I moved this in the...
Well, no. Even having this here, at this point in the report, you don't know if the next method would be more accurate or less accurate. So you might even just want to say, according to the results required, Simpson rule was the most accurate, and then in brackets, why was it the most accurate? So earlier you said why it's accurate, but maybe not why it's the most accurate. Like, why would this be better than the random numbers, you know? Just to make sure you get the top grade, a bit more insight into the conclusion. So conclusion, a bit more insight, and then just make sure you don't have any blocks of maths without any English. But other than that, it's looking good. You have your titles, which is good, and you have the symbols, which is good. So everything here is looking good. So adding a bit more English before you print it, and just make sure you secure the higher grade. Dude, what are you doing?
Sure.
Nice, I like it. But have you done all 4 questions? Now that you have your coffee, you can fly through those other 3. Lee. Is this going to be good or bad?
Where you find your formula?
Andrew, is this
From your book.
Faisal! Do you want an A in your assignment?
No, A star.
Well then get working on it. Get off the phone. You don't have much time left today.
It's not anything proper. They don't write it as a proper formula.
Sorry, I'm distracted by Faisal. Faisal! Hang on, let me just cover my eyes up.
I don't look into my book. I don't look at the formula.
Good. You're using English. This is good. I like when you use English. Good. Okay, now we're talking. All right. Nice. Okay. Ah, yes, this is much better, Lee. good, very good. Can you just put these in a table?
Do I need to write it from?
No, just the result in a table, please. So can I write here? Yep. Good. Yeah, Yusuf. It's a problem when Lee has more English in it than you do. Because he has, for example, 11 random values of x were generated from minus 15 to 21. The values of x and y are shown below.
Oh.
That's what I want, stuff like that. Yes. Good. And then again, maybe you can put all of them together in one table. Right, now the conclusion. Boring. More, give me more. Like, for example, why do you think Simpson's rule was most accurate? No, think about it. Maybe talk with your classmates. Yeah? Give me more in the conclusion. Okay.
What was the answer for number 3?
0.26.
You are on fire today, huh? Are you working on your coursework, or?
No.
Can you?
I don't have any laptop.
Oh, so it's going to stay the way it is, or you're going to?
I'm gonna change it before I go.
Cool.
What lesson is that? 2? 3?
3 to 5, isn't it?
But we have a group story before that.
Oh.
You could blow that off and no, that's a crazy idea. You would never do such a thing.
Group story is that 2?
Who's your tutor?
Email.
So we have a 2-hour break before that. I don't think anybody needs 2 hours.
For some of these courseworks I've seen, they need every minute.
Why is it?
Well, do you want me to look at yours? I don't think I've seen yours yet. Is this? Oh, that's right, you did. Very good, but
Yeah.
incomplete.
Yeah.
Will it be complete by 3 o'clock? Indeed. Andrew, are you nearly finished these 4?
Second one.
You're going backwards?
Yeah.
Cool. Maybe this is a
Do you
secret.
have
Maybe
your
this is
laptop?
what you should have been doing all along.
Andrew, do you have your laptop?
No.
Did he check yours?
Yeah.
I left my phone connected to the internet. It's like killing the battery. It's nearly gone. Because I opened up Dublin Bus and like the page refreshes every minute. And I did that this morning at 8 o'clock. I'm like, why is my battery nearly dead? I'm like, oh.
Is your charger a pin?
A USB?
A pin.
A pin?
Yeah. How
Yeah,
does
a little Nokia pin charger.
the old one or the new one? Like the thick one or the thin one?
The thin one. The thin one.
Show me.
The thin one.
When it says mains, it's referring to the primary coil?
Yes. You have one of these?
At the house.
I have one in the office, so it's okay. I have 2 of these phones. I also have 2 chargers.
Oh.
Because the first phone broke. Then I got a different phone. And I'm like, no, I like the old phone. I'm going to get another one. And then I realized they don't make them anymore, so I had to like specially order them off of eBay.
What was the new phone that you bought?
It was like this, a flip phone, but it didn't have as many features, if you can believe that.
Why not get a Hello Moto?
Is
Motorola.
that one of these flop smartphones?
No.
It's a flip one?
Yes. The Motorola.
Ah,
Hello Moto.
What brand is it? Hello Moto?
Yes. Motorola is the brand. You don't know Motorola?
No, I do know, but they have a special flip phone that you think I like?
That's It's an old one, like it's retro classic.
Does it have internet?
Yeah, I think, yeah. No, it's this one. Yeah, open the images. This one. Yeah, I had this.
Interesting.
Metal. I think it was one of the first the metal body phones.
This is interesting. This could be my new old phone. I had this phone. This is what I had in high school.
We all had this.
Everybody remembers the old Nokia 3310?
Yeah.
Yeah. Classic phone. Classic.
And the
And Snake on it.
Snake and the other one, the older one, where it's an aircraft shooting.
Yeah, it comes with the aliens.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I was so
I had to show
It
you.
took me ages, but I was so proud when I actually completed the game of Snake on it.
Could you show me the answer for 2?
Yes, because what happens is you keep growing the snake
Yeah.
until all the squares are occupied. So the snake is just one black rectangle on the
Did
screen.
it say you win?
No, it said you lose, and I was so disappointed. I'm like, finally, I'm at the end. Game over. Like, what?
You said you're a Sega fan.
Yes. Nice.
Whoa.
Sega released their old retro games on
what? The phone?
yeah, on smartphones.
Got Sonic the Hedgehog?
This is Sonic.
They're like number 1.
Yes.
I really enjoyed Sonic and Knuckles. Memories. You're only on Act 2? Keep trying and you'll get good at it.
I got it like 2 days ago only.
Alright.
Could you do number 2?
Yes. Yes, I can. Please connect to the internet. Anyone can do number 2.
Moment.
Yeah. No, because I would have downloaded Sega ROMs before. Yes, this brings me back to little 8-year-old Stephen. Because I got a Sega Mega Drive for Christmas. Yes. Bong. Yeah. The pity Sonic sucks now.
Yes, so bad.
It's a shame. It used to be so good. Now it's totally lame. And Mario still impressively is hanging in there as like a
I
god.
tried looking for Super Mario, they didn't have it.
I know Nintendo are Sega are a bit more desperate than Nintendo. Nintendo don't need to release iPhone versions of their games. Right, you're having trouble with number 2. Let's have a look at it. An electric car, guys, I'm just going to do number 2 here, but if you got the answer, that's okay. You can work on your coursework or help Wong work on his. An electric car requires 1,100 volts. So this is V2. Cool with that? The mains provides 220. So that's V1 is 220. The number of coils in the primary is 110. What is the current in the secondary if the mains provides 13? So that's I1 equals 13. Yeah?
Yeah.
So let's recap what formulas we can make. We can make N1 over N2 equals V1 over V2. And you can also make V1 over V2 equals I2 over I1. Now what am I looking for here? That will tell me which formula to use. I'm looking for I2, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you hit on the calculator 13 times 220 over 1100, what do you get?
Probably the answer. I had 13 over I2.
Well, there you go. No, I realised that it's weird, the I1 is backwards. It's V1 over V2 equals N1 over N2, and then the other one is N1 over N2 equals I2 over I1, not I1 over I2, so it's the other way for the I's. But not to worry, because that will be in the formula book, I believe.
Simpsons use quadratic lines?
Quadratic lines, are they like round squares?
Don't know. You said
No, I'm trying to get you to realise you can't say quadratic lines, you can say quadratic...
squares. Equations.
Please, just
Graphs.
just think for a moment.
Okay.
You have straight lines,
Yeah.
or...
Curves.
Simpsons uses...
Quadratic curve.
Correct!
Okay.
Do you have to like go home and practice being this difficult in class, or does it come naturally to you?
Natural.
It's a natural gift. Good. John Faisal, I might look into this Motorola business.
Play the.
Now, how do you?
Yeah, the joystick's on the left,
Yeah.
and then the one on the right is like to jump or to.
I don't like this
Scroll down.
joystick. I want my Sega Mega Drive joypad.
Yeah, that's easy.
Wee. Classic. Oh, wait. Ready? Yeah. I'll get you past level 1, Faisal, because you're probably stuck on it. So there you go. I did level 1 for you. Okay. So I will get fantastic coursework later today. I will get coursework later today.
I have a question.
Yes.
We don't need to reference anything, right?
Dude. References help your marks.
New record?
Yeah, put in references.
Yeah, I kept.
I don't care what the references are. Just make it look academic. Put in some references.
For which one?
Well, for example, in the introduction you said numerical integration is important because whatever. Reference that.
Yeah, I think
Maybe there's some book.
Wait, so you want us to cite it as well?
Yeah. What?
Don't bring my laptop.
Fudge it. You know, I'm not going to be super strict about it.
I'm just not going to give you a high grade. That's all.
No, I just mean every little helps, and if you're between grade boundaries, then a thing like having a graph title or whatever, a reference, might help. That's all.
6 references?
Oh no. This isn't physics. No. If there's marks going for references, you would get the maximum in maths at 3. So there's no point in doing more than 3.
Fair. That's 2 hours.
You have 2 hours to find 3 maths references. And I think there's references.
Should I get my laptop?
I think there's maths on the internet.
No, I know the references because I did use sources.
Oh my goodness, I want to slap you. You're like, I didn't need to use references. Maybe I should put in references. Can you find any? Yeah, I used some. Just didn't put them in.
No, because I was following the task assignment, you know, didn't mention
And
references.
if the task assignment said jump off a cliff,
Well, if it's gonna give me 5 marks, then I'd do it.
No, do you just realise how ridiculous what you said? It says, oh yeah, I referenced these materials in making my report. And I thought, yeah, maybe I can put in
But
a reference,
the problem
but
is
screw it.
the
I won't.
references I'm talking about is like YouTube videos.
Are they at least from an academic source, like some teacher or a school?
John
Or are they just some like random dude?
Yeah, some random.
I'll allow one YouTube reference.
Can it be yours?
Source highly unsuitable. Yes, that would be even better. I would definitely allow my YouTube video as a source. Yes. In fact, I might even allow 2. So that just leaves you to get one more academic source then. Right. Whoops. Yeah, looks okay. Looks okay. Yeah, this is looking good, but you're kind of having the same problem as my buddy Yusuf.
Why?
A bit more English mixed in with the maths.
What do you mean?
Like, for example, here, you just said x is random numbers from -6 to 26. Could have put in a sentence, you know, like a verb.
Okay.
You know verbs.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, so like you could have said x is a random number generated by Excel between.
But you know, this is more like a expression, equation, something like this. It's not like a sentence.
Yeah, so put a sentence before it.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Unlike this one here, there is 0 sentences here. It's just a table. You know? Like, I know what it is, and you know what it is, but the reader might not. So,
So you write something before the table, right?
Makes sense, doesn't it?
Okay.
Yeah, so, you know, just put in more English, but it looks good.
What about the reference?
Have you got references?
No.
You listen to what I said to Andrew. Give me
So put
references.
a bibliography at the end.
Please, yes, but you know this. This isn't your first essay, is it? Or report? Is
First
it?
one I didn't.
Yeah, I know, because I was kinder back then.
Okay.
Things have changed. Again, you're the same problem as everybody. Boring conclusion, nothing interesting here. Tell me why you think Simpson's rule is better. You don't have to be right.
Mhm.
I would love to know why you think Simpson's rule is better than trapezoid.
But for me, it was the other way around.
And then I would love to hear your explanation for it.
Is there a correct or wrong answer here?
No. I'm not going to deduct marks because he said Simpson's rule was better and he said trapezoid was better. If his result was more accurate for Simpson's and his was more accurate for trapezoid, I'd love to know what reasons they think their method worked. Like maybe he thinks, oh, trapezoid is better because the shape is more linear. And maybe he thinks, oh, well, Simpson's rule is better because it's more quadratic in shape, or whatever. You know, give me something insightful.
Okay.
Don't just tell me some obvious things that you did.
Okay.
But I'm sure you know this already. Yes.
I have another question about the coursework.